Oh, we do our chemistry homework this weekend. We'll do it next weekend. Yeah, right. Yeah, but I never did that.
Pretty much Martha Stewart according to this. Look at this. That's very Martha Stewart-esque.
Yeah.
That's Shelby. This is Katie.
No, she's lying. That's Katie. I'm Shelby.
I am lying.
I'm Katie.
My name's Sam, by the way.
I'm Allie.
That's
This
Allie.
is Allie. No, this is Allie. This is Sam.
She's not
What?
Sam. What are you doing,
I
Elizabeth?
don't know.
Who's Elizabeth? Just FYI,
I
guys,
don't
she's a
know.
compulsive liar.
I am. A lot. I live in Greece. We're all like this except for her because she's a freak.
No, she's like that. We're all like 4 of us.
Yeah, except for the person who's a thumb.
I'm Kathy. This is Nadine. And that's Tina.
Hey.
What's happening, boys?
Look. Look at it. Can you see that? That is salt from McDonald's.
Tonight we went to
She
McDonald's.
doesn't have any legs.
Katie has salt in her
That's
eye.
Cheryl.
That's Cheryl.
Yeah.
If you forget, I'm Nadine. She's Nadine.
You're Kathy.
I'm Kathy.
I am schizophrenic. So am I.
More.
It is 11:19 p.m. and we have a crepe with French fries. So we're driving to the McDonald's in Wayzata in hopes of talking to an employee that has a night shift.
Like a Dwight Schrute.
Like a Dwight Schrute. We're going to find a Dwight Schrute employee and talk to this person.
That is McDonald's.
That took us how long and how many times did we say
Two
I have to
freaking-
pee? You guys, we've been out for 20 minutes.
No!
We frickin' forgot to turn the camera on. We went to McDonald's. Took us 20 minutes to get our frickin' French fries.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!